Looking to track your recovery, sleep, and training? You got three main options: Whoop's dedicated wearable, or turning your Apple Watch into a powerhouse with Bevel, or Athlytic. Let's break down which one deserves your money. Here's the key difference. Whoop is a dedicated fitness strap with its own app and hardware. Meanwhile, Athlytic and Bevel are apps that transform your Apple Watch by providing much more insightful data on body stress, recovery, and sleep, making them as good or better than the Whoop app. Bevel takes this concept even further. It works with any fitness wearable, not just Apple Watch. If you switch devices, Bevel adjusts automatically. Athletic costs just $3.99 per month or $29.99 annually. Bevel runs at around $6.99 monthly or $60 a year. Whoop, no upfront cost, but you're locked into an ongoing subscription for the hardware and app together, typically at $30 per month. If you already own an Apple Watch, you're avoiding a big hardware cost with the apps. Athletic functions as a Whoop alternative, analyzing sleep, HRV recovery, trends, and workout performance while combining sleep and recovery data in one place. The Whoop app excels at sleep tracking with slightly better accuracy and impressive battery life. But here's the catch: some users find Whoop's strap itchy and its workout tracking inferior. Bevel provides comprehensive dashboards covering activity tracking, strain, recovery, sleep, and habit tracking with high customization. Users report Bevel has superior design and is improving rapidly, while Athletic delivers better data results for some users. For most people, Apple Watch Plus Athletic wins because it combines all the right sensors with insightful data. Plus, you get an entire Watch OS with far more functionality and no mandatory Whoop subscription. Choose Bevel if you want flexibility to switch wearables or prefer its own polished design. Only go for Whoop if you want a dedicated device and don't mind the subscription model for this type of device. Bottom line, if you own an Apple Watch, spending $30 to $60 annually on Athletic makes way more sense than $360 a year for Whoop subscription. Your wallet will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.